What are Npm Package.json script hooks? Have you ever wondered how to make your Node.js projects run smoother and more efficiently? Well, let's talk about Npm Package.json script hooks and how they can help you automate tasks in your development process. In the world of Node Package Manager, script hooks are special scripts you define in the package.json file. They run automatically at certain points in the lifecycle of your package or when you execute specific npm commands. This feature is a game changer for backend developers, as it simplifies tasks related to building, testing, and installing your projects. To get started, let's look at the basics of npm scripts. In the package.json file, there is a section called Scripts. Here, you can define custom commands that run shell commands or Node.js scripts. For instance, if you want to start your server, you can write start node server. Yes, this allows you to simply run npm start to get your server up and running. Now, what exactly are script hooks? These are scripts that automatically run before or after a specific npm script or lifecycle event. You can easily identify them by their naming convention. Just prepend pre or post to the name of an existing script. For example, pretest runs before the test script, while post install runs after the install script. This automation helps you manage setup or cleanup tasks without the need to run extra commands manually. npm also has built-in lifecycle events such as install, pre-install, post-install, test, pre-test, and post-test. Hooks tied to these events run automatically during package installation or testing phases. For instance, you can use pre-install to check prerequisites before installation or post-install to run build steps after installation. So how do these script hooks work? When you execute an npm command like npm install or npm test, npm checks 4 scripts named with the corresponding lifecycle event. It runs them in a specific order. First the pre-hook, then the main script, and finally the post hook. Each script runs in its own child process, and npm sets environment variables so you can access context like the current lifecycle event. Now, let's discuss some practical applications in backend development. You can automate database migrations before starting your server using a press-start hook. Or, you might want to clean up temporary files before and after running tests with pre-test and post-test. Additionally, you can compile source code or assets during installation with a post-install hook. Running linting or code formatting checks before committing code is another great use case. For more advanced projects, npm supports hook scripts that can be placed in node modules /hooks/event name. This feature is particularly useful for monorepos or complex projects where you want consistent behavior across multiple packages. When using script hooks, keep a few best practices in mind. Avoid exiting scripts with errors unless absolutely necessary, as this can abort npm commands. It is better to use npm's built-in lifecycle scripts instead of custom install scripts whenever possible. Also, do not use superuser permissions inside scripts. Instead, run npm commands with the appropriate permissions. Lastly, keep your script simple and focused on tasks that npm cannot handle directly. In summary, npm Package.json script hooks are a fantastic way to automate tasks in your backend development process. They allow you to run scripts automatically before or after key npm commands or lifecycle events. This feature simplifies workflows involving APIs, databases, server-side logic, and much more by integrating these processes directly into the package management lifecycle.